Hello, welcome to the course. In this lesson, I will show you where to download the tools that you will need. We will need to use two tools. The first is called Detect It Easy. In short, DIE. DIE is a packer identifier. It is used to identify if there are any packers and also the type of program language used to create the program. So we need to use Detect Easy to identify the program if it's suitable for cracking using cheat engine. Certain programs are not so suitable, and I will explain later as we go along in the course. Basically, those programs which are written in C, C++, Delphi, Visual Basic 6 Native are most suitable for use with cheat engine, whereas programs written in C# and VB.NET and also VB6 code may not be so suitable, and there are other tools for that. So go ahead and click on this link here to download the latest version. As of date, it is version 3.01. The second tool you need is cheat engine itself. This is the main tool, and this is the link. The link I will provide for you in the resource section. So go to this cheat engine link and click on this to download it. I will also provide these two tools for you so that you don't have to download it if you don't want to. So these are the two software. So for cheat engine, just double click on it and follow the installation instructions. However, for DIE, there is nothing to install. It is a portable program. So all you need to do is extract it. After extracting it, you will have this folder inside it. So all you need to do is just cut this folder and put it inside your C drive. Right click and paste it here. And then once you've pasted it there, go and open the folder itself. And this is the program. So we'll create a shortcut to the desktop. To create a shortcut to the desktop, right click on DIE, hold down the right click, drag it to the desktop, release, and then click on create shortcut here. So you have a shortcut. As for cheat engine, just double click on it to start the installation process. Once it's finished, you will have a shortcut on the desktop too. And this is the shortcut. Next thing you want to do is to do the setting for cheat engine. So let's open cheat engine now. Cheat engine runs with elevated privilege because it can be used for cracking software, and it needs to have low level access in order to be able to crack or hack any software. So under here, under the edit menu, there is a settings sub-menu. Click on settings, and under here, go to the debugger options, and then here the default is use Windows Debugger. Select use VEH Debugger. Windows Debugger can be detected by some software which has got anti-debugger protection. So when we use VEH, it hides the cheat engine from the anti-debug protection for the software. So always use VEH. So that is all the thing you need to do. Click OK. And now you are ready. We have two programs here. So in the coming lessons, I will show you how to start hacking applications. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.